Okay, again, anytime we have a shape inside of a shape and we want to find the space in between, we have to subtract. We have to do the outer shape minus the inner shape, or shapes in this case. So our subtraction model will be, we need to do square minus circles. I don't feel like drawing 16 circles, so I'll just use an array of 4 circles as a model. Okay, so I need to do the area of the square minus all the circles. Let's start with the square. Area of a square, of course, is base times height. Well, that's just going to be 36 times 36. That's almost just ridiculously easy. Our strategy for finding the area of all the circles over here will be to start by finding the area of one circle. Okay, of course the area of one circle is pi r squared. But since there are 16 of them, I will multiply that by 16, and that should give me the area of all the circles, and I'll have to subtract it all. So that's my model. So let's get to it. Base times height, 36 times 36, or 36 squared, that's 1,296. So 1,296. That's the area of the square. Now, let's go ahead and find the area of one circle, pi r squared. Well, let's see. If this entire side is 36, well, that seems to be divided into 4 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means each one of these diameters is length 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, but for this formula I need the radius. So if the diameter is 9, that means the radius must be 4.5. Okay, so this is going to be pi times 4.5 squared. Maybe I could just do that off to the side. Alright, this is pi and then 4.5 squared. I'm just going to put that in my calculator and just get a decimal. Okay, so that's 63.617. Okay, so if I put all this in my calculator, that's going to give me the area of the shaded. So the final answer is 278.13 square centimeters. That is the end. Now, I didn't show an exact answer because I got a decimal right here with the 4.5. But just in case anybody's curious about an exact answer, I could have done an exact answer. Instead of writing the radius as 4.5, I could have written the radius as 9 over 2. If I write the radius as 9 over 2, then when I square that, I'm not going to get a decimal. If you take 9 over 2 and you square it, well, 9 squared is 81, 2 squared is 4. So r squared becomes 81 over 4, and there's your pi, so 81 pi over 4. So that's exact. I could simplify this a little bit more, but I'm still going to be stuck with my 1296, 1296, minus 324 pi. And that would be the exact answer. Just in case anybody was wondering. Now, the end.